Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you how to use min function in Excel. Min function is used to calculate or to identify the minimum value in the selected data range. So here I have prepared a data for your ready reference in which I have listed names of few students in this column. In the next column I have listed the marks obtained by each student in the subject maths, science, English. Okay, and in the very last column I have calculated the marks obtained by each student, that means total marks obtained by each student. Now with the help of min function we will calculate the minimum marks obtained by student in the subject maths, science and English. Okay, so let's see how we can use this min function. Okay, first of all we should know where we can find this min function. So there are multiple methods to find this min function. Okay, so basically this function is available in the formulas tab. Once you go to the formulas tab, you can see the group function library. In the function library we can see various types of functions available. For example, financial function, logical function, text function, date and time function, etc. But this min function is available under more functions category and in the statistical functions. If we scroll down here, and here we can find the min. Okay, once we click on this we can see the function argument dialog box. So here we can type each and every number manually. For example, 20 as a first number, 30 as a second number, 40 as a third number, or else we can directly select the range from which we want to calculate minimum value. For example, here we want to calculate minimum marks obtained in the subject maths, so we can also directly select the entire range. Okay, and click on OK. So here we got the output, that is 45. Okay, so 45 is the minimum marks in this math subject. Okay, so another method is that we can also go to this insert function. Once we click insert here, we can search, because it is very difficult to remember each and every function and to identify that exactly which function is available in which category. For example, it's very difficult to remember that min function is available in this financial category, logical category, or text category, or something like that, statistical category. But with the help of this insert function command we can directly search function here. Okay, so here is option search for a function. Just type min here and click on the go button. We can see the result obtained for this min. Okay, so our function is min and we have to just click on this OK button. Again here also we can select the entire range. So here in this case we have to calculate the minimum marks obtained in the subject science. So we will select the all the marks from this science column and click on the OK button. So here we will receive the output as 59, as 59 is the minimum marks obtained in this science column. Okay, now the very last method, which is very easy and I personally prefer with the help of this keyboard shortcut. So here we have to just press equal to sign, and on the keyboard we have to just type min, that is min, and we have to press tab button. After pressing tab button we have to just select the data range, close the bracket and press enter button. So here we will get the output as 46, and 46 is the marks which are minimum marks in this English. Okay, so these are the various multiple methods to calculate minimum values with the help of min function. That's all from this video. Thank you. Have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, do let us know through your comments. And most important, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications about our newly uploaded videos.